ગુડ મોર્નિંગ મિત્રો. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 8 વિષય અંગ્રેજી પાઠ 2 જેનો અભ્યાસ આપણે કરી ચૂક્યા છીએ તેનું લેખન સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીની અંદર કરશું. પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1, રીડ ધ ફોલોઈંગ પેરેગ્રાફ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. પાઠમાં આપેલો અથવા નીચે આપેલો પેરેગ્રાફ વાંચી પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ લખો. જેમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, હાઉ મેની જેમ્સ વેર ધેર ઇન ધ અકબર્સ કોર્ટ. જેનો જવાબ, ધેર વેર 9 જેમ્સ ઇન અકબર્સ કોર્ટ. બીજો, હુ વોઝ તાનસેન. તાનસેન વોઝ અ ગ્રેટ મ્યુઝિશિયન. ત્રીજું, વિચ રાગ ડીડ તાનસેન ક્રિએટ. તાનસેન ડીડ ક્રિએટેડ મિયા મલ્હાર રાગ. મિત્રો, હવે આ જ ફકરા પરથી નીચેના MCQ આપના જવાબ દેવાના છે. અકબર હેડ ખાલી જગ્યા જેમ્સ ઇન હિઝ કોર્ટ. 9. તાનસેન વોઝ અ ગ્રેટ મ્યુઝિશિયન. વિચ ઓફ ધ ફોલોઈંગ ઇઝ નોટ અ રાગ? ચિરાગ. ઇન વિચ રાગ ડીડ તાનસેન મેક સમ ઇનોવેશન? મલ્હાર. વિચ રાગ ડીડ તાનસેન ક્રિએટ? મિયા મલ્હાર. ઇનોવેશન મીન્સ ન્યૂ ચેન્જીસ. મિત્રો, બીજો પેરેગ્રાફ નો પ્રશ્ન છે, પહેલો, વોટ ડીડ ધ કિંગ સે અબાઉટ તાનસેન્સ વોઇસ? ધ કિંગ સેડ અબાઉટ તાનસેન્સ વોઇસ, wonderful in the world. Second, what did the king ask Tansen to do? The king to Tansen, Ustadji, playing something new on your tanpura and make us happy. હવે આ જ ફકરાના MCQ પર જઈએ. પહેલું, which instrument did Tansen play? તાનપુરા. which rag did Tansen sing in the court? દરબારી. which word show that the king was very happy? His eyes bright with praise. ચોથું, what did the king call Tansen? Ustadji, wonderful. Who said this? અકબર. મિત્રો, ત્રીજો પેરેગ્રાફ આપણને આપેલો છે તેના પર જઈએ. એમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, what did the king say about Tansen's voice? જવાબ, the king said, I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world. Second, did Tansen agree with the king? What did he say? No, Tansen did not agree with the king. He said there was someone. મિત્રો, તેના MCQ, how did Tansen show his respect the king? He bowed before the king. Which of the following statement is true? Someone sang better than Tansen. Disbelieving means not sure. ચોથો પેરેગ્રાફ ના પ્રશ્નોના જવાબમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, what condition did Tansen put before the king? The Tansen did condition for the king, do not go there as the king. બીજું, how would the king go there? The king shall go as a humble lover of music. તેના MCQમાં પહેલો MCQ, I shall go to him myself. Who said this word? Sant Haridas. Akbar would go there as a humble lover of music. Humble means સિમ્પલ. મિત્રો, પાંચમો પેરેગ્રાફ છે જેના પ્રશ્નોમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, હુ સેંગ બેટર ધેન તાનસેન? સંત હરિદાસ સેંગ બેટર ધેન તાનસેન. સેકન્ડ, વેર ડીડ સંત હરિદાસ લીવ? સંત હરિદાસ લીવડ ઇન અ વૃંદાવન ઇન અ હટ ઓન ધ બેંક ઓફ રિવર યમુના. થર્ડ, હુ વોઝ સંત હરિદાસ? સંત હરિદાસ વોઝ અ ગ્રેટ મ્યુઝિશિયન. चौथो, who were Sant Haridas disciple? Sant Haridas disciple were Beju Bawra and Tansen. Fifth, to what was Sant Haridas devoted? Sant Haridas was devoted to music and Lord Krishna. હવે તેના MCQમાં પહેલો MCQ, Tansen was talking about Sant Haridas. Who was Sant Haridas? Musician. Which of the following statement is false? Sant Haridas lived in a palace. ચોથું, which word in the paragraph means every day? Daily. Disciple means student. I sing as you sing. Who said this word? Sant Haridas. Who was Sant Haridas' favorite disciple? Tansen. છઠ્ઠો પેરેગ્રાફમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, હાઉ ડીડ તાનસેન ગેટ સંત હરિદાસ ટુ સિંગ? Tansen did pretended not to understand. He made the same mistake again. Second, which rag did Tansen sing before his guru? જવાબ, Tansen sang rag darbari his guru. What trick did Tansen play? Tansen made same mistake again and again. Fourth, who was angry? Sant Haridas was angry. Why? So Sant Haridas made mistake again and again. તેના MCQમાં પહેલો MCQ, who offered to sing? Tansen. Who made the same mistake while singing? Tansen. Who was angry? Sant Haridas. To pretend means to act as if. Which rag did Sant Haridas sing? Darbari. Tansen could not persuade him to change his mind. Who is him in this line? Sant Haridas. To change his mind means to change his decision. સાતમો પેરેગ્રાફમાં પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, what did the king agree? The king agreed that Sant Haridas was the greatest musician. હવે એના MCQમાં જઈએ, the sweetness of his voice spread all around. Whose voice is this? Sant Haridas. To realize means to understand. What did the king realize? Sant Haridas is the greatest singer. No other musician is so great as him means he is the greatest musician. આઠમો પેરેગ્રાફમાં મિત્રો પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, at whose command did Tansen sing? Tansen sang at the command the king of Hindustan. મિત્રો બીજો પ્રશ્ન એમાં, for whom did Tansen's guru sing? Guruji sang for God, the king of the king. તેના MCQની અંદર જઈએ, here broke the silence mean spoke. At whose command did Tansen sing? Akbar. For whom did Sant Haridas sing? God. King of king means God. Command means order. Now, second question, say whether the following statement are true or false. Akbar had 7 gems in his court. False. Tansen was musician. True. Tansen made some innovation in the Malhar Rag. True. Tansen agreed that he was the best singer. False. The king went to hear Sant Haridas. True. Sant Haridas was Tansen's father. False. Sant Haridas lives Mathura. False. Sant Haridas lives in a hut. True. Sant Haridas refused to sing. True. Sant Haridas sang Rag Darbari in the right way. True. Tansen made some mistake deliberately. True. The king agreed that Sant Haridas was wonderful singer. True. Third question are, write the meaning of the statement sentence selecting the correct option. First, Tansen made some innovation in Malhar Rag means Tansen made some improvement in the Malhar Rag. Second, there is someone who sing better than I means someone sing better than I do. I am afraid he will not come. Sahansa means I am afraid that he will refuse to come. Fourth, Tansen would not persuade him to change his mind means Tansen could not convention him to sing. Fifth, but Tansen knew how to get round him means Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. Sixth, Guruji sing for one who is the king of king means answer Guruji sing for God. 7. No other musician is so great as him means Sant Haridas is the greatest musician. Fourth question are read the paragraph and answer the question. The first question is where was Minal Devi going? Minal Devi was going on a pilgrim to Somnath. Pilgrim એટલે જાત્રા કરવા જવી. Second, who met her on the way? Some sadhus met her on the way. Third, why could the sadhus not visit Somnath? It is Prince Siddharth's order, but we have no money to pay the tax, so we have come back without visiting Somnath. Fourth, Minal Devi continued her pilgrims to Somnath. True or false? False. Minal Devi did not go to Somnath because the sadhus could not go there. Question number 5. As hungry as wolf, as brave as lion, as blind as bat, as innocent as lamb, as wise as an owl, as busy as a bee, as free as a bird, as proud as a peacock. Sixth question are study the paragraph showing the level of pollution in some cities of Gujarat and answer the question. First, Surat is most polluted of all cities. False. Which city is more polluted than Rajkot? Ahmedabad. Baroda is the least polluted city. True. Bhavnagar is less polluted than Rajkot. Which is the most polluted city of Gujarat? Ahmedabad. Rajkot is more polluted than Bhavnagar, but less polluted than Ahmedabad. True. Bhavnagar is less polluted than Surat, but more polluted than Vadodara. True. Ahmedabad is most polluted city. Question number 7. Draw or pass. Picture 2. Show the following comprehension. Write sentence to describe each picture. 1. Sital is thin. Ankita is thinner than Sital. Meena is thinnest of all. Second, the sparrow is beautiful bird. The swan is more beautiful than the sparrow. The peacock is most beautiful bird. Third, a dog is big. A horse is bigger than dog. And third, an elephant is biggest of all the animal. Fourth, brinjal are cheap. Potato are cheaper than brinjals. Third, onions are the cheapest of all. Fifth, my pencil is long. Hitesh pencil is longer than mine. Ketan pencil is longest. Sixth, a pen is light. A pencil is lighter than a pen. A feather is largest of the three. મિત્રો આ સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીની અંદર સાક્ષે વિગતવાર લખી લેવું. નમસ્કાર.